Hello, welcome. My name is Prasad Yalamanchi from Lead Semantics, a Chapel Hill, North Carolina based AI solutions company. Today, I would like to introduce Text Distill, our neural language processing pipeline. Text is an important source of knowledge in the enterprise. Memos, contracts, news, emails, research articles, financial reports, meeting minutes, web chats, and many more are all examples of text. Text Distill takes unstructured text documents as input and produces facts of knowledge as output in the form of RDF triples, which are then readily ingested into a standard RDF triple store. Ansograph database from Cambridge Semantics is our destination triple store. Extracting knowledge from text, such as the English sentence seen here, involves several important stages of computation. First, through pre-processing and normalization, structure like the tokenization, part of speech tags, and other lexical annotations are added to raw text. Next, semantic rules are applied to identify higher level concepts such as entities, subjects, objects, and basic grammatical relations, etc. Named entities such as person, organization, and relations between entities such as works for, located in, etc. are identified using classifiers based on fine-tuned transformer language models. Later, entities are linked to a knowledge base of known types and instance IDs of entities to ground the extracted entities into the target knowledge graph. Similarly, relations are mapped to the predicates in the target knowledge graph. In the picture, we can see that George Martin is recognized as person and Paris McBride as person and wife of George Martin. And Santa Fe is identified as a location and location located in New Mexico, another location. After the linking phase, entities receive a unique ID in the form of a URI or Universal Resource Identifier, which is a W3C standard, and the complete fact graph is formed ready to be populated into the RDF database. Text Distill is flexible. You can configure rules to apply at the lexical and syntactic level as well as at the semantic level. Pipeline uses hybrid architecture over linguistic rules and statistical models. It is parallel and scalable pipeline, scales to hundreds of concepts like the many domain-specific nominals that are to be treated as named entities, and scales to hundreds of thousands of documents in execution. Neural models run as RESTful classifiers. Output of the pipeline is an RDF NQuad file, which can be loaded into any standard vendor triple store to be verified, ready to be federated with an enterprise knowledge graph. We will now show a short demo of Text Distill extracting triples from plain text documents using a simple extraction ontology with few concepts and relations shown here. The RDF superstructure is not shown here to reduce visual clutter. Concepts person, location, organization, work of art, and predicates located in, is from, represents, and about are going to be used. We will now run the demo.